have a very interesting background as a securities litigator. I started in class action securities litigation when I was just a young lawyer. And for some of the older people in the crowd, you may remember a company called Crazy Eddie. It was famously in the movie Splash. It was one of the commercials that Daryl Hannah looked at on the TV. But Crazy Eddie was an electronics retailer with a very flamboyant commercial who decided to go public and defraud all of his investors. We got an 8-figure settlement, which back in the early 90s was a huge amount of money. And we also helped the U.S. Marshals go and catch Crazy Eddie. So that was a really fascinating experience that I had. It was front page news when I was traveling to work in the subway. I moved from the class action securities litigation to a securities defense firm that represented the progeny of the Wolf of Wall Street. And I got entangled as also a fairly young attorney representing a lot of the people that you might have seen in that movie. And I can tell you, anecdotally, that the movie was tame compared to what actually happened. So those people broke every rule. And when you're representing people that break every rule, you learn every rule inside and out. And I did customer arbitrations for them, and I did regulatory defense for them, and I helped them get more brokers, if you could believe it, during the time that it was all happening in regulatory hearings. So at the end of that, I was able to start Malecki Law. And I uniquely made my practice as I wanted it to be. I wanted to do a little bit of both because I felt like it kept my skills very high and it kept me grounded on both sides so that I know what the other side is thinking in either situation. I speak at bar associations. I am the co-chair of the Securities Arbitration Committee for the New York State Bar Association. I have been on TV and in the newspapers, and truly, Malecki Law has been my dream job. And I love my clients and my colleagues.